Zing up your tea time with this lemon drizzle loaf. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making the English classic lemon drizzle loaf. This zesty cake has lemon in the batter, lemon in the drizzle, and lemon in the icing. It comes together with a few simple ingredients and it's full of zest and lemony flavor. So let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grate the zest of 2 lemons. Into your mixing bowl, add 200 grams of soft butter and 200 grams of caster sugar. Cream this together until it's really light and fluffy. This comes together really quickly in a stand mixer, but you can easily do it in a mixing bowl by hand. If you're letting the stand mixer do the work, make sure you scrape down those sides. Squeeze out 20 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Break 3 eggs into a bowl and add in 50 milliliters of milk. Add in a half a teaspoon of your lemon juice. Give it a little whisk to break up the eggs. Add your eggs into your butter mix in 3 increments. This helps the eggs and the butter combine more easily. It'll look a bit like it's curdled at the moment, but don't worry, when we add the flour, it'll fix it right up. To 220 grams of self-raising flour, add in an 1/8 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a little mix together. If you haven't got self-raising flour in the house, you can easily substitute plain or all-purpose flour and baking powder. So for every 100 grams of all-purpose flour, you'll add in a teaspoon of baking powder. That means for this recipe, 2 1/4 teaspoons. Mix your flour and lemon zest into your egg and butter mixture. Once it's just come together, turn the mixer off and give it one final mix by hand just to get in all of that unmixed flour. At this point, be sure not to overmix it. You just want to stir it through until the flour has combined. I've buttered and lined a 2-pound loaf tin to put our batter into. Pour your batter into your pan and smooth it out so it's even all the way across. And it goes into our preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. And now for our drizzle. Into a bowl go 60 grams of caster sugar and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And give that a good stir until all of the sugar has dissolved. Once you pull your loaf out of the oven, give it a test with a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, you're ready to continue poking. So poke holes all over the cake right down to the bottom. Now spoon over that drizzle, making sure you get it into all of those nooks and crannies. Now that the drizzle's on, let it cool completely before making the icing. Sift 50 grams of icing sugar into a small bowl. Pour 2 teaspoons of lemon juice over the top and give it a good stir until it's nice and smooth. This is the consistency you're looking for. Add more or less lemon juice depending on how thick it is. Now drizzle your icing all over your cake and you're ready to enjoy. Dessert recipe, check out this one here and hit that subscribe button here. Remember, likes are free and please leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.